The right information plus action equals money. If you want to know how you can make money online, then watch this video as I show you a genuine technique you could start applying right away to start making money online. Please don't forget to take action, because after watching this video and you don't take action, you're not gonna make any money. And after watching this video, if you get value, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and now let's jump right into the video. Welcome to Brigxel Bees. It's your guy Ken. If this is your first time on this channel, we show you stuffs related to how to make money online. We cover a wide range of topics from affiliate marketing to cryptocurrencies and what have you. You're going to come to Google and search this link here, www.clerks.com. Basically, this is a platform where you can buy services, okay? SEO related services. You can buy SEO related services. You can also buy some other services on this platform. Okay, so but basically what I wanted to do is to come to this button here where it says join. So you're going to click that join button. So if you click that join button, it's going to show you username, email, password, confirm. So you're going to create an account on this website, okay? So you're going to fill in these details, and then after filling in these details, then you click continue button, okay? And then you'll be able to create an account, and also be reminded that they're going to send you an email. So you would have to go to your email to confirm the email sent to you, okay? That's how to verify your account. And then after that, you're going to come back to this website and then log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're going to come to this search bar here and search voiceover. Okay, so once voiceover is searched, you're going to see a bunch of results. Okay, and to also quickly remind you, why signing up, you're going to see a page requesting you to fill in your skill, okay, the skill you want to provide on this platform. So make sure you type in voiceover, okay, because the skill or the service we want to sell on this website is going to have to do with voiceover. Okay, so I'm going to show you a software where you'll be able to do voiceover, so you don't have to be a Briton or an American. You don't have to have good command of the English language. All you need is just a software that I'm going to show you. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end, so that you see how you can use this software to make money on this website, because that's exactly what most of these guys you are seeing here are doing. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is to search this, and if you come here, you can see we have a lot of guys doing this. This person is selling his voiceover for $10, $20. This person here is selling for $15, $5. Just go through all of this and see what's happening. This person is selling his voiceover for $25. He says, we will record a 200-word voiceover for your project at $25. I will record a 100-word voiceover. I want you to take note of this. This person is going to record, I will record a 100-word voiceover for your project, okay, for $15. Now, I'm going to show you how you can earn this first $15, how you can do this for free and make your first $15 for free, and then from there, you'll be able to start making money over and over again. So I want you to stay with me as I show you what's gonna happen. So basically, once you have checked out all these services, okay, to see that people are actually doing this, so you might be saying, so why am I showing you this website? The reason I'm showing you this website is because the competition on this website is very low. Okay, you have very few number of people doing this, okay, as opposed to Fiverr and other social and other freelancing websites, okay, for example, like freelancer.com. You have less competition. You have just a few people here doing this. Okay, look at this person. He's gonna charge $40 for doing this, as you can see it. Okay, so imagine you are selling 100 words for $15, for instance, like I just showed you. That means if you have 10 orders, you would be making over $150, and that's pretty good sum of money to make. Okay, and once you become an authority on the site, you'll be making a lot of money. Okay, and the software I'm going to show you is going to give professional service to your clients. So basically now what you have to do is to come here. Once you click that button, you're gonna see this place. So you're gonna see where it says home, account, community, buyer, seller. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do here is we want to sell a service. You're gonna click that button If you click that sell button, it's gonna say sell. So you click this here again, it's gonna show you that sell a service. So you click that sell a service. So it's going to load a page like this. So here, this is the page where you'll be able to create your service, the service you want to sell. So this is the overview. Then after filling in the details here, okay, so here you can say, it says start with an image or a video. So maybe you want to upload a video or an image. You're going to do that through this place. Then you create a title for your service, just like we saw from those other guys. If you don't know how to do this, just go over to those voiceover services and click any of them and study how they did theirs, and then come in here and fill in these details. Basically a simple process. You click this continue button, it's going to bring you to the pricing section where you'll be able to fix your price. You could say I would do $100 voiceover for $15. You could start with that, and then after that you click next. It's going to bring you to the content, requirements, and review and all of that, and then your service will be live. Okay, so this is how you do it. It's pretty simple. If you don't understand how to do it, make sure you go through one of the services provided, one of the services already listed on this platform by any seller, and kind of like get an idea or as with regards to how to do this. And okay, so once you've done that, then the next thing is to join me so that I will show you the next website where you'll be able to do this. So here is the website, okay, but before I review the name of this website, I'm gonna show you what's happening here. So this is a platform where you can do voiceovers, okay, so, and this voiceover is professionally sounding voiceover services. So this is where you get to paste whatever you want to paste, okay. This is where you get to choose the voice type, this is where you choose the voice style, this is where you change the speed and all those stuff. So you could do a lot of stuff here. So I've pasted something here, so let's see how it sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna play this and let's see how it sounds so you see what I'm talking about.
Google followers know that search engine optimization can be a challenging thing to tackle, and there are countless different services and websites that can help you reach your Google ranking goals. SEO Base is a web SEO service that lets you easily track all the most important keywords so you can manage and track all your web properties and keep them growing.
Wow, wonderful. You can see how this sounds so natural. Okay, you could actually deceive somebody, okay, because this could deceive a lot of people. You wouldn't know this is a robot speaking. It looks like a human speaking, so it's completely human like. Okay, so you could deceive anybody with this. Okay, a lot of people would listen to this and not know they were listening to a robot. Okay, so this is how you could use this service to make a lot of money online. So now what you are going to do is once you are here on this website, now as you can see, the name of the website is showing. But before you jump into this, I want to show you a few other steps. Make sure you listen to me clearly so that you get the remaining steps on how to go about this. Okay, so the website is play.ht. Now, one thing you're going to discover is that this service is not free. If you click this download button, they're going to ask you to pay a sum of money to be able to download this. So how are you going to do it? Do you buy the service? Now, the answer to that question is no. So this is what you're going to do is you're going to first click this place where it says get started for free. You click that button, and then it brings you to this place where it says welcome. So you're going to have to create an account. You create an account. Okay, so go for either Google sign up or sign up with an email. Okay, so once you've signed up on this platform, they are gonna give you 100 free words, okay, to be able to do what? To be able to test this website. Okay, so the first 100 free words you're going to get, you're gonna use it for the first order you're gonna get on SEO Clerks. Okay, and mind you, for 100 words you could charge about $15. You see that? Okay, so if you sign up here, let me kind of like show you how your dashboard is gonna look. Let me sign in. So once you're signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this. You can see here, you can see it says here, let me kind of like zoom it in. Yeah, you can see here it says words remain in 100. So you have 100 free words, okay, when you follow this option. So that means you have your first 100 words to use for your SEO Clerks job. Okay, so you can see here you have a lot of voices to use. Personally, this is my best best male voice. Okay, if you click that, you can see how it
If
sounds.
the voice that you've selected supports voice styles, then you can also choose an emotion from the drop-down that suits the purpose and the nature of your audio.
Okay, so that's my best male voice. Okay, you could use, then you could use that and then do whatever you want to do on this website, guys. So this is basically how this thing works. Okay, so you might be saying, so what about the pricing? Okay, how much does this thing really cost? Okay, so if we go to the pricing, so you can see that we have $14 for the first month. Okay, so once you've made your first $15 the way I showed you, you still do not need to buy or subscribe for this. You need to wait for an order from SEO Clerk. Okay, so once you get an order, a second order from SEO Clerks, then you would come here to use part of the money there. Let's say you're charging $25, then you would use about $14 to pay for their monthly plan, and then you keep the balance, guys. So this is how this works. Okay, you only come here to renew your subscription when you get an order. Okay, so you can actually go to Fiverr and do this, and then go to other websites like freelancer.com and also peoplepayhour.com. There are lots of websites, okay, where you can do this, and then you do this on a lot of all websites, freelancing websites. Believe me, you would have a lot of orders on weekly basis, and you'll be making substantial amount of money, guys. So this is it for today's video. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share it among your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we show you important content always. Bye bye. It's your guy Ken. It's Brigxel Bees.